Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on INFINIX Smart 9. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. And now you can click open, then click agree and continue. And close this ad. Now click allow. And then click consent. Now click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Then you can close this ad. And as you can see, I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.